Hey, this is Dylan at Imperial Sportbikes, and we just got the 2026 Tuono and Tuono V4. They're here in America. It's pretty crazy, and here's some video. Giving you a little walk around. We just got it out of the crate. This is a standard, as you can see. Tail. There's no light. This is the new tail tidy here. And we've got black levers. This is cool. I had no idea. This is pretty nice. Look at that. And still with the wrapping on it. And then there's the new screen. There you go. Pretty cool. This is actually the standard, believe it or not. And you'll notice that the under part of the motor is very different looking, as you can see here. There is the slip joint, and there's the exhaust going back there. And yeah, we got to get this thing together. As you can see, the new arrow is hiding underneath the front of the bike. You can really see it on the factories too, because they really pop because they have red there instead. But there you go. Here is a factory Tuono V4 2026. They're here. I can't believe it, actually. This is kind of a lot sooner than I thought. Here is the new design that I think it's dark Kraken. There you go. Fresh out of the crate. Literally still kind of in it, actually. There you go. Aprilia. See this new oil cooler there, I believe. And then there's the radiator. And then you've got some, look at this wing. Look at that. That's wild. Get some aero in there straight out of MotoGP. Pretty cool. And the black levers, which I think are a very, very nice touch. You can't really see them here, but there's your factory. There's the tank. This looks really cool in person. And it's got these cool, like this fade there on it. And the seat, I see red. That's pretty cool. Red in a good way. There's the new tail tidy. It's big. It's big. It looks very comfy. And there you go. That's the factory. Another look at the standard, fresh out of the crate. This is the brand new one. And as you can see, the arrow is hiding behind that piece of tape. We'll take that off shortly once we PDI the bikes. We just got to make sure everything's good to go. And that is a 2026 Tuono V4 standard. I think it looks great. There's some very different like design down here. If you look at everything down below, there's no belly pan. It's a very interesting, different look. My hope is these are a little bit better dealing with heat. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful motorcycle. There's the black levers and the new tail tidy right here. Kind of a cool like solo seat cowl basically. And then what's crazy, they're going BMW route with no tail light in the actual bike, but on the fender or the tail tidy, which means aftermarket kits will probably be coming very shortly.